What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this FIOBOC Modal Blend Elbow Patch Long Sleeve Shirt. Full disclosure, I did receive it to do this video, and yes, you are seeing this right, it does come with its own garment bag. So let's unpackage the actual shirt now. I got a size 2XL in the color black with patches added for the elbows. Make sure to only machine wash this on cold, do not bleach it, and tumble dry it on low. It does come with a second card as well, where you can join the FIOBOC club and check out all their socials. So here's the actual shirt getting fully unpackaged. I chose size 2XL because I like to wear it a little bit oversized. I'm more of a size XL myself, but here are those patches. I love this touch on the shirt, having the patches on the elbows. I think it makes it look super unique and keeps it extra durable so the elbows don't wear out. And this shirt has 4-way stretch fabric, so it is very flexible. The actual blend of fabric they're using is 42% lensing modal, 49% polyester, and 9% spandex. This combination of fabric does make the shirt pretty thick, so you can't see through it, and it does have a little bit of a sheen. It's super comfortable and stretchy, so mobility will not be an issue. And the simplicity of the shirt definitely opens up the opportunity to accessorize with a hat, bandana, necklace, you name it. This shirt is also offered in many different colors. They do have some different fits you can choose from and whether you want the elbow patches or not. And they do have a size guide you can use to make sure you get the exact fit you want. So that's all for this one. You can check the link around this video for a discount.